Hello everyone and welcome to WP User TV. Coming up in today's video, I'll be going through the latest feature from Elegant Themes which allows you to access your layouts easily. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So right now I'm in my WordPress admin dashboard. So I'm just going to come over here and create a brand new page. So I'm going to click on Add New and let's just call this page Layout. I'm going to click on Use the Divi Builder. Okay, so to access the layouts, all you have to do is to click here where it says Load Layout. And now you can find our pre-made layouts. So all these layouts here are now easier to access. And you can also come here over here to the categories and select which category you want. And this will narrow them down based on that category. Okay, so you can go to business, for example, and it'll show you that. On the top here, you can see that we have a total of 163 total layouts, which I think is pretty cool. And over here as well, we have the view mode, so you can view them in a different way, like this if you wanted to, but I'll just keep it basic and leave it as it is. Let's say you want to build a specific page. So I'm going to come over here to this agency layout. Now that my pre-made layout has been loaded, I can cycle through these pages and have a quick view of what pretty much they look like. So if I click home, this is what the home page is going to look like. This is project 1. So what I could also do is I could do a quick demo. So I can click here on the live demo, and this will give us an example of what that page is going to look like. Pretty cool. Right, so back over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Use this layout. Now, once I click on Use this layout is now loaded onto this page that I'm building. And then after that, you can just go ahead and customize the text, make it your own, and also change the images. Now, this takes a while because it's pulling up all this data to add onto your website. So now that this has been updated, all I have to do now is to click on Publish. And then I'm going to click on Use Visual Builder. Okay, so now my layout is opened in the Visual Builder. All I have to do now is to go in and make some adjustments. So let's say I need to delete this section right here. I can just go ahead and delete it like that. And now I can go in and change these images. So I can click here on this gear icon to access my module settings, change my image by clicking Upload. And then I can say, for example, choose this image here, click Upload. And straight away our image has been updated. I can save, and then I can do the same here with these images. Now, if I'm not happy with, say for example, this module, I can just go in and delete it and add a brand new module just by clicking that plus button. And let's say this is going to be a text module. So you can then continue to design this page as you wish. Now, the main thing here is it makes things easy. Because if you think about it, if you were to design this page layout from scratch, this would have taken you a very, very long time. But with having this template, you can actually have a very good starting point, which you can just quickly design websites without the need to do a lot of custom designs. So this is a fantastic update and I will be using this a lot. So I recommend that you update your Divi theme, because by updating it, this is how you'll get this update. So if you're brand new to web design and you'd like to learn more about how to design websites, I have a free course which I'm giving away. It's called WordPress Mastery. You can go ahead right now and sign up for the course for free. And if you'd like to learn how to design websites using Divi, I also have a course called Divi Blueprint 3. You can also sign up for that course. All that information you need is in the show notes below. Now, Divi Blueprint 3 gives you everything that you need to know in order for you to build awesome looking websites. Okay, so that's all for today's update. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.